In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Discord. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Discord, go to some chat or to your friend list and find the person you want to block and tap on that person's name to come up that window, and here tap on three dots icon, and now you are able to block that person or remove that friend, because that person is my friend. Now I tap on block, and since that person is blocked, he can't send me a messages. I wouldn't be able to see that person's messages in public chats. And also now you see here that this person is not my friend anymore, because it was removed from the friends list because of blocking. So that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.